How to show product vendor in Shopify Cart Page. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to show the vendor on your Shopify Cart page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Shopify website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm already in my theme editor, and as you can see right here on the home page, you will see all of my products, and actually I can already add the vendor name of my products right here on the home page. I can just click the section, and right here I can click show vendor on the settings and click save. And as you can see, if it reloads, after it reloads, you will see the vendor's name right here below the product name. And yeah, that's it. And if you want to add the vendor name on the cart page, this is how you can do it. You can just go to your settings right here, team settings on the top left, and after you click that, just scroll down until you find cart, and right there on the settings you can just click show vendor also there. And after that, after you done all of that, you can just save again and reload your page. So me, I'm just going to view my website, and as you can see, I'm just going to add one product in my cart. And if I go to the cart page, all products right here will have its vendor name. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can show vendor name in Shopify. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.